Welcome to a delectable journey of cultural exchange through cuisine, where we explore the rich tapestry of global flavors that transcend borders. In this gastronomic adventure, we'll delve into how food serves as a mirror to cultural values, identity, and history. Join us as we unravel traditional recipes, culinary techniques, and the captivating stories behind iconic dishes from around the world. The language of flavors. Food is a universal language, a symphony of flavors that transcends linguistic barriers, conveying the essence of a culture's identity. It is a culinary dialect that speaks volumes about the traditions, history, and values of a community. In every dish, there is a tale woven with unique ingredients and intricate preparation methods, reflecting the creativity and resourcefulness of the people who bring it to life. Each bite is an invitation to embark on a journey, a sensory exploration that transcends geographical boundaries. By delving into the rich tapestry of flavors, we gain a passport to the heart of diverse cultures, unlocking a deeper understanding of the communities that have shaped these culinary masterpieces. This journey through the world of taste is a celebration of diversity, connecting us to the stories, heritage, and shared humanity embedded in every mouth-watering morsel. Traditional recipes as cultural narratives. Traditional recipes serve as more than mere culinary instructions. They embody cultural narratives that have endured the passage of time, weaving a tapestry of cultural continuity across generations. The intricate spices of Indian curry, the delicate layers of Italian lasagna, and the umami-rich flavors of Japanese sushi are not just gastronomic delights. They are expressions of a culture's culinary heritage. In the kitchen, traditions become a living legacy, passed down from ancestors to descendants. These time-honored practices not only preserve flavors and techniques but also foster a deep connection between generations. Whether it's the methodical preparation of a signature dish or the shared rituals of festive cooking, these kitchen traditions create a sense of belonging and identity. As families gather to cook and share meals, the kitchen transforms into a cultural sanctum, where the past converges with the present, creating a bridge that spans generations and reinforces the essence of cultural heritage. Culinary techniques as cultural artistry. Culinary techniques are the vivid brushstrokes that paint the canvas of gastronomy, with each culture contributing its distinctive artistry to the world of cuisine. The precision and finesse seen in French pastry making, for instance, exemplify not only a mastery of technique but also a commitment to elevating flavors to an art form. On the other side of the culinary spectrum, the sizzling woks of Chinese stir-fry showcase a different form of culinary virtuosity, bold, dynamic, and infused with centuries-old traditions. The craftsmanship behind these techniques extends beyond the kitchen, reflecting the cultural creativity, skill, and ingenuity of a people. In the delicate folds of a croissant or the intricate layers of a Peking duck pancake, one can discern not only the taste of a dish but also the values and aesthetics that define diverse cultures. These culinary traditions, passed down through generations, not only tantalize the taste buds but also serve as a lens through which we can appreciate the richness and depth of our global culinary heritage. Iconic dishes and their stories. Behind every iconic dish, a captivating narrative unfolds, a tale woven with threads of tradition, innovation, and profound cultural significance. Consider the illustrious paella from Spain, a dish that reflects the nation's rich culinary heritage with its saffron-infused rice and medley of seafood. Venture into the heart of Korea through the story of kimchi, a dish not just fermented vegetables but a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness. Then, there's couscous from North Africa, a dish that embodies the artistry of Maghreb cuisine. These dishes are more than recipes, they are windows into the cultural landscapes from which they emerged, each telling a story of history, geography, and the people who crafted them. As we savor the narratives of these iconic dishes, we realize they have become more than culinary delights. They are cultural ambassadors, transcending borders and inviting people from different corners of the world to share in the diverse and beautiful heritage of various societies. Food as a bridge for cultural understanding. Food possesses a unique and remarkable power, the ability to unite people from diverse backgrounds, fostering mutual understanding and appreciation. Culinary exploration serves as a potent means to dismantle cultural barriers, allowing us to wholeheartedly embrace diversity and revel in the shared human experience. The transformative potential of cultural exchange through cuisine is profound. It unveils the threads that connect us all. A shared meal becomes a universal language, a testament to the beauty found in the varied traditions, flavors, and stories that make up our world. In these moments, where forks and knives replace borders and boundaries, connections are forged that transcend language and nationality. It's in the act of breaking bread together that we discover the commonality of our shared joys, struggles, and the fundamental human need for sustenance and connection. As we conclude our culinary odyssey, we hope this journey has sparked your curiosity and appreciation for the profound connection between food, culture, and identity. Through exploring the diverse landscapes of global cuisine, we can build bridges of understanding and celebrate the rich tapestry of human heritage. If you enjoyed this exploration of cultural exchange through cuisine, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow food enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening journeys into the heart of culture. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the vibrant flavors of the world, and may every meal be an opportunity to savor the beauty of cultural exchange.